My name is Varugoda, for B.Tech Mechanical Engineering, USC Bangalore. I had completed my second internship in NIT Surathkal under Professor Suveen sir in Surathkal, Bangalore. Standard belt supported design. In belt supported design, the introduction PPT is here. The first part is overview, and the second part is the parts, and the third part is a part overview, and the fourth part is a printed parts, and the fifth part is the assembly of printed parts. The first part is the belt supported bracket assembly, which was designed by me in National Institute of Technology. In the internship, the belt supported bracket assembly, and it is a belt supported bracket assembly is mechanical support where a bracket means a supporting structural frame is held or a reinforced by a belt, typically in systems with a where motion, load distribution, vibration control is involved. Bracket means it is a supporting structure which was given to the belt and it is rotating when the bracket is supported. Here is the printed part. It look like this. This is the bracket, which is a supporting structure for a belt, which is it is a revolving part which it revolves using the belt. In the belt supported bracket assembly, the parts are the cap screw and the turn screw and the washer, nuts, bracket and a belt supported design. And the bracket means this one, the bracket. See, look like this type. Bracket it look like this type, and the belt supported design means wait for a minute. This is the belt supported. This is the belt supported design. It is not rotating part. It look like a belt supported design part, and it is not rotating. It is fixed part. And this is the turn screw. This is the turn screw. Look like a ring-like structure, and this is the cap screw. This is the cap screw. Both are cap screw itself. See, it is used for hook or a fixed hook part. It is not rotating. And this is the washer. And both are nuts. Both are nuts. See, it is tiny small part. You can't see, but you can visible here. Small parts. Two nuts are used in this part. And this is the washer, and these are the both are cap screw, and this is the turn screw, and the belt support design, and this is the bracket. The next slide is the part overview. Part overview means if it is a belt supported design, it is the users and what it will be the conditions and applications. Introduction about the small parts in the belt supported design. First part is the turn screw. It is look like this type. Turn screw. Ring-like structure. It is a center hole running through a length of a cylinder. This is the running through a center of the cylinder, and three consecutive grooves are just on the outer cylindrical surface, possibly for functioning or design part. Shape cylindrical with a concentric hole, cylindrical hole with a concentric hole, cylindrical object where cylindrical hole shape or washer will be. It is used in this part itself. It can be used in this part. And cylindrical objects in central hole, a design spacer washer will be fixed in this part, like component, small component. The second part is the washer. This is the flat washer or disc with a center taper hole. You can see here it is a center taper hole. The H tape is standard high limit. H is standard for high limit tap plus acts as a rotating or a fastening element. It acts as a rotating element or a fastening. It could serve as a spacer mounting plate or a retaining disc. It could serve as a mounting plate. The next part is a nuts. It is the little small. You can't see But mechanically, tiny small parts. Small parts. It is a hexagonal nut with a center hole. Center hole has been drilled and tapered. Standard metric pitch is used for internal thread idea for small screws in precision assemblies. Central cylindrical hole for threading. It is used for tight fastening in compact areas due to small threaded size. It is a belt supported design, which you can see here. It is a fourth part. It has a shaft mounted spacer, a standoff or a belt pulley hub with taped with the holes. It is taped with the holes for screws. Flanged position could be for positioning, limiting axial movement or load distribution. It can be helps to secure pulley or a roller while central axis supports mounting shaft both ends using screws. It is the bracket. It is the bracket provides a rigid mounting base for shaft, pulley, or a rollers. Maintain proper belt alignment to prevent slippage. Functions as a part of belt tensioning mechanism. It includes triangular. It includes triangular and stiffness and low retaining capacity. It has a triangular gasket and low retaining capacity. It is a cap screw. See, it is a cap screw. Acts as a positioning or a locking pins in assemblies. Could work in the combination in both nut and the bracket. Both in the bracket like this. That means here is that we can lock like this. Like this could be work in the combination in both nut and could be part of tensioning system inspection then rotated to fixed position. Italo tightening and loosening threads. Italo tightening means loosening threads. It is designed model using Creo software, and the next one is printed part using resin or a PLA in the NIT Surathkal under Suvin sir. Here is the model which was designed by me. It is a belt support bracket assembly. It is used in the CNC machines. It is a belt support bracket assembly. The center holes allows to be mounted on the shaft or a bolt or a pin. It guides or tension the belt and bracket assembly. Supports the belt. It supports the belt. Keeps the belt aligned and avoid guide the belt path, especially where the belt changes the direction. It guides the path where it can be used. It is the last part, last PPT. Thank you for me. Thank you for helping me, and thank you for Suvin sir for giving me for this opportunity for doing internship in NIT Surathkal. It was my dream to read NIT, but it can't happen. I had an internship, so thank you for Suvin sir. Thank you for all.